While some Chinese smartphones makers are focusing on the market of mobile handset, some of them also explore the market of laptops. We have several laptops from Huawei, Honor, Xiaomi and Redmi. Now the latest brand to join this particular segment is Realme. The fastest growing smartphone brand has shipped a big number of smartphones and started to explore the wearable segments last year. Now it is about to venture in the competitive market to bring its own set of Realme laptops. It's remarkable to see a brand that is about to complete 3 years of existence playing a big role in the market of smartphones. The brand now has a set of lifestyle products, auto products and even smart TVs. Knowing this, it's not a surprise to see the brand making its entry into the laptop business according to a new report. It will happen towards the middle of the year. The info comes from the reliable Mukul Sharma. He posted a tweet earlier today where he says Realme laptops are expected to launch in June of this year. So we have 5 months of waiting before their first Realme laptop reach the market. Just like in the smartphone market, we expect Realme to aim at the likes of Redmi, Xiaomi, just like other Realme brands product. The new laptop may comes at an affordable price tag. Hopefully they will also comes with initiative design and competitive specification. We can't discard a yellow color Realme laptop since this has been a signature color for some Realme product. Unfortunately, we don't know which market are getting this laptop, but China and India certainly are included in this list. The brand started its journey in India and has the country as a core place of unleashing the new products. It comes later to China and global market and also sells a good portion of its products. In these reasons, since other brands have achieved good result when selling laptops to Western market, we believe that Realme will also work to attract the preference of global consumers. The Realme laptop will probably be made by the ODM as known of Realme's sister company's product laptop. So unlike smartphones, the company can't use the resources and technologies from its sister brands. The laptop will certainly run Windows 10 when it comes to the processing unit. We can't expect variant with Intel and AMD processor. The company will also bring multiple sets of RAM and storage configuration. We expect the brand to bet on LCD display to make the laptop cheaper. We expect more details to appear in the coming months. After all, Realme isn't the best in keeping their device a secret. So that's all for the day. Thank you guys for watching this video and stay with us. Thank you very much.